It's Ryan.
And it's Aya.
And we're going to be making angel food cake
And yellow cake. So first up are our ingredients. I'm going to be making yellow food cake. And she's going to be making
angel food cake.
So our ingredients are, I have my cake mix and my 3 eggs. And we have a measuring cup for our water.
I am just going to be using 1 1/3 cups of water, and she is going to be using butter.
Yes, 1 1/3 cup of water. Okay, let's get going. So first I have our cake mix, and I have 3 eggs that I'm going to add in with 1/3 of a butter, and then going to mix it with 1 cup of water.
And I'm just mixing 1 1/3 cup of water with the cake mix.
Okay, so I need 1 cup, it says, so I'm just gonna fill it up.
Use the whisk, baby.
Okay.
Here.
You have a whisk?
Yeah.
We have a whisk?
So,
Oh, do you want to use it?
well, both of you guys have to use it.
Look, it's turning pink. Oh, wow.
Oh gosh,
It's overflowing.
chill.
We have some overflowage, bro.
Chill.
Why is it overflowing? Why does it do that? Because it's... Okay.
Because Christ.
Okay, just dump it in. Oh, that's so satisfying.
Straight in the hole. She already mixed the water in the cake mix, but she ain't put the egg in it yet.
Eggs. Ugh. Wait, Dad, get a shot of this. Ready? Ready? Watch. Okay. Bake for 325, right?
That's how you do it.
Yours is overflowing even more.
No, it's not. Oh
Does
gosh.
she have to put eggs in hers too?
No.
Nope.
This is the end product of the yellow cake with vanilla frosting, chocolate pearls, and icing. This is the end product of angel food cake with vanilla frosting and sprinkles. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Like
Comment
and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.